Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get eSign on your phone so you can actually sign IPA files without a computer. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So go over to hexmods.com, type in eSign, and there it is. So press on it and then press the download button. And before it downloads, there is going to be one last step. So this is the verification. So basically we have to download two apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, and then the eSign will be on our phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's just wait for this to download. As you can see, so at the end it says missing files, additional files are required. So we need to download two of these apps, follow the instructions, and then the eSign will be on our phone. So for instance, Travel Town says install and reach level 9. So I just press continue, takes me to the App Store. I just gotta play it until I reach level 9, so it's like a game. So I'm not sure which apps are gonna show up for you, but just make sure you do two of them and like download it and run it and then do whatever it says. So this one was like reach level 10 or whatever, and then you're gonna be good to go. So that's how to get it for your device. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. So that's how to get it. So be sure to try it out. Just make sure you go back to the list. Then we're going to do a couple more. So like scanner app, you could do that one. Just install the app and open it. Or mode casino. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how to get eSign on iOS and Android. So this is 2026 method. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. But I'm going to see you guys later. So be sure to subscribe, guys, if you like this, because it actually works. You know, I've tested every single method, and I have to say, bro, this is actually working. So that's crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get the eSign on your phone, guys, because this actually works, you know. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe because this is super awesome. And if you guys want to get eSign on your iPhone, now you know how. And if we go to the App Store and type in eSign, you guys will see it is not here. So if I type it in, no eSign. So yeah, you're screwed. So be sure to try this out, guys. It actually works. Just make sure you download two of these apps. You're going to be all set, guys. So this is super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, a lot of people are obviously not knowing how to get eSign on iOS and Android, but I'm here to say that it actually does work. So this is super awesome. So try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super insane, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, and it is totally updated, guys. So hopefully you guys were able to get it. It's super cool. But yeah, I've tried everything, and that's how to get eSign. You just have to like play two of the apps. So like Travel Town's like level 9, so that's pretty simple. So yeah, be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super cool. And I've tried everything, bro. There's no other way to get eSign, but if you try this method, it will work. So that's so cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this actually works, guys, like crazy, bro. Just download two of the apps, whatever they are, and you're gonna be all set. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe, tell your friends, and you should be all set, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one, and peace out, my guys.